Hello viewers, in this video I am going to tell you that Serum Institute India will produce Oxford University's 30 crore Covishield doses. I would like to request you to please like and share this video and please subscribe to my channel by following these steps and click the notification bell to never miss an update, and please watch till the Oxford coronavirus vaccine Covishield SII to create 30 crore doses by year end. The production of Oxford coronavirus vaccine named Covishield, one of the front-runner COVID-19 vaccine candidate in the world, has begun in India. Initially, estimates suggest at least 1 billion doses of the vaccine will be produced in India, which would make the country the largest producer of COVID-19 vaccine on the planet. As per latest development, the Oxford AstraZeneca joint collaboration vaccine is now being manufactured on a large scale at SII in Pune, Maharashtra. The early production has commenced in order to meet the commercial requirement for phase 3 of vaccine's clinical trial. The result of Oxford vaccine published earlier this week in the Lancet show an acceptable safety profile and produced increased antibody response to fight novel coronavirus, officially known as chimpanzee adenovirus vector vaccine. The Covishield has also shown to induce a marked increase in effective T-cell responses, an attribute that can ensure long-term immunity. Suresh Jadhav, Executive Director of SII, revealed the company intended to create 2 to 3 million doses of the vaccine by end of August 2020, and by the end of this year, the target will be to produce at least 300 million doses. Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla, chairman of Poonawalla Group, told The Hindu. Further, in a recent interview with the Times of India, Dr. Cyrus' son and CEO of SII, Adar Poonawalla, insisted that his company intends to keep the vaccine prices below rupees 1000 and make it affordable for everyone. He also expressed his intention to make it available across 70 other low and middle income countries. Phase 1 of Covishield's clinical trial is complete and it has shown promising results. Phase 2 and 3 are currently underway in Austria, and at this rate of development, the final vaccine is expected to be ready by December 2020. Dr. Cyrus Poonawalla further revealed that SII themselves are in process to applying for a license to start clinical trial in India. Once they receive the necessary permission from Drug Controller General of India, the company will commence the phase 3 trials in Maharashtra by August 2020. Mumbai and Pune, the two COVID-19 hotspots in the state, with 1.03 lakh and 59,000 confirmed cases as of July 2022 respectively, have been shortlisted for the clinical trials. Trial sites will be built across these cities. By the end of August, between 4,000 to 5,000 people will be injected with the vaccine so as to test its efficacy on the Indian population. These trials are a manufacturer of immunobiological drugs, including vaccines in India. It was founded by Cyrus Poonawalla in 1996. The company is a subsidiary of holding company Poonawalla Investment and Industries. The company is the world's largest vaccine producer. The company is the world's largest vaccine producer by number of doses produced. The company produces around 1.3 billion doses of vaccine each year. The product developed include tuberculosis vaccine, polio vaccine, and other vaccination for childhood vaccination schedule. As of 2009, the institute was developing an international swine flu vaccine. In 2016, with support of US-based Mass Biologics of University of Massachusetts Medical School, it invented a fast-acting anti-rabies agent. The company made its first international acquisition when it acquired Bitohoven Biologics, a pharmaceutical company in the Netherlands, in 2012. The Pune-based Serum Institute of India has already begun manufacturing the Oxford vaccine CHADOX1N-CoV-19 for novel coronavirus. The company intends to manufacture 2 to 3 million doses by end August. According to Mr. Jadhav, the company will begin manufacturing vaccines of such quantity that meets the requirement of commercial scale batch for phase 3 trial of the vaccine. The number of doses manufactured per commercial scale batch would depend on whether the vials will be single or multi-dose. While phase 3 trials have begun in UK, Brazil and South Africa, Serum Institute will soon be seeking permission to carry out a multicentric phase 3 trials here in India. The trial will recruit a few thousand participants. Based on the safety and immunogenicity data of phase 3 trial carried out in India, they will trigger production of the vaccine even before the results are formally available. In addition to manufacturing the Oxford vaccine, Serum Institute may take up additional manufacturing of COVID-19 vaccine developed by either entities. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end.